Did you know that 90% of YouTube creators are using the wrong thumbnails and losing millions of views because of it? What if I told you that there's now artificial intelligence that can create thumbnails that get clicked more than anything you've ever made by hand? Stay tuned. In this video, I'm diving deep into the 4 most powerful AI thumbnail generators that are completely revolutionizing how creators grow their channels. Also, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how each of these tools works and which one gives you the most bang for your buck. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI thumbnail generator will transform your channel forever. Let's get right into the video now. Let me share something that's going to blow your mind about why thumbnails matter more than you think. Last month, I ran an experiment where I took the exact same video and uploaded it with 4 different thumbnails. The results were absolutely insane. The worst performing thumbnail got 1,200 views. The best one? Over 47,000 views. Same video, same title, same everything. The only difference was the thumbnail. That's the power we're dealing with here, and that's exactly why AI thumbnail generators are becoming the secret weapon of every successful creator. Here's what most people don't understand about thumbnails. Your thumbnail isn't just a picture. It's a split-second advertisement for your entire video. When someone's scrolling through YouTube, they're making a decision in less than 3 seconds about whether to click on your video or keep scrolling. That thumbnail is literally the difference between your video going viral or getting buried in the algorithm forever. The old way of creating thumbnails was brutal. You'd spend hours in Photoshop, trying different colors, different faces, different text layouts. You'd test one thumbnail, wait for days to see how it performed, then try another one. It was slow, expensive, and honestly, most of us just weren't very good at it. But artificial intelligence has changed everything. Now, before we jump into these tools, I need to set your expectations correctly. Not all AI thumbnail generators are created equal. Some of them are absolutely incredible and will revolutionize your channel. Others are basically fancy filters that won't move the needle at all. I've spent the last 3 months testing every major AI thumbnail generator on the market, and today I'm sharing the 4 that actually deliver results. Let's start with Tube Magic, and right off the bat, I have to tell you something that surprised me. Tube Magic isn't just a thumbnail generator. It's like having an entire YouTube growth team powered by artificial intelligence. The thumbnail feature is just one part of what makes this tool absolutely incredible. When you upload your video concept to Tube Magic, the AI doesn't just create random thumbnails. It analyzes your niche, looks at what's working for similar channels, and then generates thumbnails that are specifically designed to get clicks in your exact market. The level of customization here is mind-blowing. But here's where Tube Magic really shines. The AI considers your target audience demographics, the emotional triggers that work best in your niche, and even the color psychology that drives clicks in your specific category. I've been using Tube Magic for 2 months now, and my average click-through rate has increased by 38%. That's not luck. That's the power of AI that actually understands YouTube. The interface is incredibly intuitive. You simply input your video topic, select your niche, and within seconds, you have multiple professional-grade thumbnail options. But what I love most is the A/B testing feature. Tube Magic can generate variations of the same thumbnail concept, allowing you to test different approaches without starting from scratch each time. Now let's talk about pricing because I know that's on everyone's mind. Tube Magic offers several tiers, and honestly, even their basic plan gives you access to features that would cost hundreds of dollars if you hired a professional designer. The return on investment here is incredible when you consider how much more revenue you'll generate from higher click-through rates. Next up is vidIQ, and if you've been on YouTube for any length of time, you've probably heard of vidIQ. They've been helping creators optimize their channels for years. Their AI thumbnail generator is a natural extension of their expertise in YouTube analytics and optimization. What makes vidIQ's approach unique is how deeply it integrates with their existing analytics platform. The AI doesn't just create thumbnails in a vacuum. It analyzes your channel's performance history and identifies the visual elements that have worked best for your audience in the past, and then incorporates those elements into new designs. I was skeptical at first because vidIQ is known more for their keyword research and analytics tools. But their AI thumbnail generator completely exceeded my expectations. The thumbnails it creates feel like they were designed by someone who truly understands your brand and your audience. The collaborative features in vidIQ are also impressive. If you're working with a team, you can easily share thumbnail concepts, get feedback, and iterate on designs all within the same platform. This workflow integration is something that the standalone thumbnail tools just can't match. One thing I particularly appreciate about vidIQ is their educational approach. They don't just give you thumbnails. They explain why certain design choices work better than others, helping you understand the psychology behind effective thumbnails. This means you're not just getting better thumbnails today, you're actually learning to think like a professional thumbnail designer. The AI in vidIQ is constantly learning from the millions of videos on their platform. Every click, every impression, every piece of performance data feeds back into the algorithm, making it smarter and more effective over time. This collective intelligence approach means you're benefiting from insights gathered across the entire YouTube ecosystem. Now let's dive into Canva, and I have to be honest, Canva surprised me the most. When I first heard they were adding AI thumbnail generation to their platform, I thought it would be a basic feature. That it wouldn't compete with specialized tools. I was completely wrong. Canva's AI thumbnail generator leverages their massive design database and combines it with machine learning that understands what makes thumbnails effective. The result is thumbnails that are not only visually stunning but also strategically designed to drive clicks. What sets Canva apart is the sheer variety of design options. Their AI can create thumbnails in literally hundreds of different styles, from minimalist and clean to bold and attention-grabbing. Whether your channel is about tech reviews, cooking, fitness, or education, Canva's AI can adapt to match your brand perfectly. The customization options in Canva are incredible. After the AI generates your initial thumbnail, you can easily modify colors, fonts, layouts, and effects. The AI acts as your starting point, but you maintain complete creative control. This balance between automation and customization is exactly what most creators need. Canva's AI also understands seasonal trends and current events. If you're creating content around holidays, trending topics, or viral moments, the AI can incorporate relevant visual elements that make your thumbnails feel timely and relevant. This temporal awareness is something I haven't seen in other tools. The collaboration features in Canva are also worth mentioning. If you're working with editors, designers, or other team members, everyone can access and modify thumbnails in real time. The version history feature means you never lose a design iteration, and the commenting system makes feedback seamless. Finally, let's talk about pixels, and I have to start with a confession. I almost didn't include pixels in this review because it's relatively new and I wasn't sure if it would live up to the hype. But after testing it extensively, I can confidently say that pixels might be the most innovative AI thumbnail generator on the market. What makes pixels unique is their focus on emotional impact. Their AI doesn't just analyze colors and layouts. It actually evaluates the emotional response that different visual elements trigger in viewers. This psychological approach to thumbnail design is incredibly sophisticated and surprisingly effective. Pixels uses advanced facial recognition and emotion analysis to optimize the human elements in your thumbnails. If your thumbnail includes faces, their AI can adjust expressions, positioning, and even lighting to maximize the emotional connection with your audience. The results are thumbnails that feel more human and more compelling. The AI in Pixels also understands the context of your content in ways that other tools simply don't. If you're creating educational content, it will emphasize clarity and professionalism. If you're making entertainment content, it will prioritize fun and excitement. This contextual intelligence means your thumbnails always align with your content goals. One feature that really impressed me is Pixel's trend prediction capability. Their AI analyzes emerging visual trends across social media platforms and incorporates these insights into thumbnail designs. This means your thumbnails can feel fresh and current, even if you're creating content about evergreen topics. The quality of thumbnails generated by Pixels is consistently high. I've never received a thumbnail from their AI that looked amateurish or poorly designed. Every single output feels like it was created by a professional designer who understands both your brand and your audience. Now, after testing all 4 of these tools extensively, you're probably wondering which one I recommend. The honest answer is that it depends on your specific needs and situation. If you're just starting out and want the most comprehensive YouTube growth tool, Tube Magic is your best bet. The thumbnail generator is excellent, but you also get keyword research, title optimization, and analytics tools that will help your entire channel strategy. If you're already using vidIQ for analytics and optimization, their AI thumbnail generator is a natural addition that integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. The learning resources alone make it worth considering. If you're already comfortable with design tools and want maximum creative control, Canva offers the perfect balance of AI assistance and manual customization. The variety of design options is unmatched. If you want cutting-edge AI that focuses on emotional impact and psychological optimization, Pixels is the most innovative option available. Their approach to thumbnail psychology is genuinely revolutionary. Here's my final recommendation: try the free versions or trials of each tool and see which one feels most natural for your workflow. The best AI thumbnail generator is the one you'll actually use consistently. Remember, even the most advanced AI won't help if you don't implement it regularly. The thumbnail game has changed forever. AI isn't just making it easier to create good thumbnails. It's making it possible for every creator to compete at the highest level. Your competition is already using these tools. The question isn't whether you should start using AI thumbnail generators. The question is, which one will you choose to transform your channel? If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, so we can continue to create videos filled with powerful strategies and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.